Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link cells in sheets. To begin, open your spreadsheet and select the cell where you want the linked data to appear. Type an equals sign, then navigate to the sheet containing the source cell. Click on that source cell and press Enter. This creates a direct reference, pulling the value from one cell into another, making your data dynamic and interconnected across your workbook. When linking to another sheet, the syntax is straightforward. After typing the equals sign, specify the sheet name, followed by an exclamation mark, and then the cell reference. For example, if your sheet is named Sales Data and the cell is A1, you would type equals Sales Data, A1. Remember to enclose sheet names with spaces in single quotes. This method allows you to pull specific data points from various tabs within the same spreadsheet file, enhancing organization. To link cells across different spreadsheet files, you'll use the powerful import range function. This function requires two main arguments: the full URL of the source spreadsheet enclosed in double quotes and the range string also in double quotes. For instance, equals import range, https://docs, google.com/spreadsheets/d/. Sheet 1, A1B10, will import data from a specified range. Grant access when prompted. This is incredibly useful for consolidating data from multiple sources into one central sheet. For optimal linking, consider using named ranges. Instead of Sheet 1, A1, you could use equals total sales, which is much clearer. Always double-check your references, especially if you move or delete source cells, as this can lead to broken links or #ref errors. Regularly review your linked data to ensure accuracy and consistency. By following these simple best practices, you can maintain robust and error-free connections across all your spreadsheets, saving you valuable time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.